Hi guys, today I am at Lazy 5 Ranch and today we're going to see lots of different animals. So stay tuned if you want to see lots of animals. Hi guys, right now I am standing out of my car looking at all these different types of animals. So right now I've seen a bull and some cows and some pigs and some deers, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so on to our next animal. Hi guys, today I visited the Lazy 5 Ranch. It was lots of fun. And just so you know, September 4th is National Wildlife Day. Yep, did not know that. So, I like seeing all the zebras there. The zebras just walked past us. You get to feed the animals. The animals are very friendly. I didn't want to feed them. And one thing I will warn you about, when you get around to the cows are, you gotta really pay attention, because the cows come in your car, they'll poke their head right through the window, uninvited. I learned that today. So we were sitting in the car and we were passing by the cows, and so I was looking straight ahead to see if I could see any other animals besides the cow, and so I heard a cow and then I looked to where my mom was sitting and I saw the cow poking its head out the window, but then it started to leave when we saw that we didn't have any food. Yeah, so that's what I consider. If you would want to go visit it, just be really careful. The deers are pretty, the ostriches are awesome. There's even pigs. The trail, I would say, is about 2 hours. Yeah. I had lots and lots of fun making this video with you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.